Hi everyone, welcome to Wise Words Weekly. It's a slightly earlier time this week, but I'm still helping all the business owners to learn skills to write words for your business that convert. So I've decided to do something a little bit differently this week, and in my business in general. So usually I'll share copy tips with you, but today I want to talk to you about my website words workshop. So usually I work with clients one-on-one, so we'll work on the copy strategy together, and then I'll go away and write all the copy for them, and then we'll kind of go through the process of reviewing and things, but it's kind of a done for you model. But I had a lot of people asking me if we could do things a little bit differently. So quite a lot of business owners who wanted to write the copy themselves, wanted to be more involved in the process, but just didn't want to do it by themselves. So with that in mind, I decided to put together a kind of guided workshop. So it'll run over a few days, an hour over Zoom, and we'll tackle a different web page in each session. And you'll go away and write based on a kind of guided framework that I will talk you through. So it's kind of doing it yourself, but not by yourself. And by the end of the workshop, you've got highly converting web copy. So I know for a lot of people, refreshing their website copy has been on the to-do list for a long time. And there's always been two options. It's kind of DIY, so completely do it by yourself, or find a copywriter, and then it's kind of, who do you work with? Do you have the budget for that? Does that mean you won't be involved at all? So this is kind of the happy place in between, where you are doing it yourself, you do get the satisfaction of doing it yourself, you get to learn all these skills, copy skills that are actually transferable to other parts of your business as well. So you'll learn, once you know how to write great copy, you can write copy for emails and ads and all the other things that you need to write for your business. So you get that side of it, but then you also get kind of a copywriting expert guiding you and talking you through every step as well. So I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about what the workshop would entail. Obviously, if you have any questions, please type them in, or you can DM me as well. So the first thing we'll go through is how to reflect your customers' words in your copy. So I'll talk to you about what great copywriters do in the research phase, so how you can find out what your customers or clients are actually thinking and write that into your copy. We'll talk about what to put where on your homepage, and I've got a really great template that we'll follow for the homepage, so you'll know exactly what to write where and how to position everything so it's a better user experience, and also so that it converts better. You'll learn how to find your about page hook. I know about pages are the enemy of every business owner. People hate writing them, so you'll learn how to write your about page, how to hook people in, how to tell a story in a way that your customer actually cares about. And we'll also unearth your unique framework or process that you can use on your How I Work page or your service page that actually describes how you're different and how working with you will be different. So we'll write that page together as well. And then we'll also talk through sales psychology, SEO best practice, all the kind of tips and tricks that you need throughout your site to make sure it's converting like it should be. And you'll come away with website copy that's ready to go. So it's really going to be practical. You're going to have a lot of guidance, but you're going to do it yourself. You'll come away feeling satisfied that it's done, and actually you can cross it off your to-do list once and for all. So yeah, what I think is really great about it is that you can, as I said, you can learn skills that you can then transfer into other areas of your business as well. So although you're writing your web copy, you can then use everything you've learned, the brand messaging that you've developed for your homepage and your about page, you can use all over the other comms that you use for your business. So I know a lot of business owners say they want to write it themselves, but they just don't want to do it by themselves. So that's kind of what this is all about. So yeah, it's kind of the happy place in between DIY or finding a website copywriter. So if you're interested, if you have had website copy, refreshing your web copy on your to-do list for a while, or you know someone who's starting out in a business and doesn't have a website yet, or they have a website that they want to refresh, shoot me a DM. I've got loads more information about it. I don't want to overwhelm you right now, but yeah, send me a DM and I can share a bit more information about it. I've limited spaces for the workshop to around 8 people because I really do want it to be quite personalised. So there aren't a lot of spaces. I'm looking to start in the next couple of weeks. So yeah, you do need to get in quick if you are interested in doing it. So if anyone has any questions, please type them in, or yeah, just shoot me a DM or put a comment in this video in my newsfeed. Yeah, really excited about this one. I think it'll be really good. Well, I know it'll be good value, and I'm excited to help more people. Like at the moment, I just, as I said, I do one-on-one. So this model is really going to help me help more people who maybe don't have access to a copywriter or don't have the funds for a copywriter, or just want to learn those basic skills that are so critical in building a business. And the bigger, trust me, the bigger your business gets, the more you'll have to write for it. And just having these skills in the bag will just really help you grow and help you convert all the marketing you're doing. If you're sending it to a website that's not converting right now, that's probably why you're not seeing ROI. So if you can get your website up to scratch, it means then all the marketing you're doing will actually kind of, you'll see the return on investment a lot more. So yeah, that's it from me today. Shoot me a DM if you have any questions. You'll probably be hearing a lot more about this on my feed before I launch in a couple of weeks. So excited to get started. Hope to see you there. Bye bye.